My dear students, welcome to Lpsc Public School and College online class. I hope everybody okay and everybody stay in your home. My dear students, today I will discuss structural questions from chapter 8, and chapter 8 is related average. Okay, my structure questions theme is the average age of father and three sons is 17 years. Father age is 38 years. This is my esteems of this creative questions. Okay. Okay. My first question is what is the sum of father and three sons is? Number B questions, find the sum of three sons. Number C, if the average age of mother and those three sons is 15 years, what is the age of mother? Okay. So my first questions, what is the sum of father and three sons is? Okay, from my streams given, average age of father and three sons is 17 years. So we write, given that average age of average age of father and three sons is 17 years. Okay, now we find out sum of father and three sons is. Here father and three sons total 4 persons. So when we find out sum of father and three sons, then we multiply 17 by 4. So we can write sum of father and three sons. Sum of father and three sons is 17 into 4 years. Okay, when we multiply it, then product will be 4 times of 7 28 for 668 years. So we find out sum of father and three sons age is 68 years. This is answer. I hope you would understand my first questions. Number B, find the sum of three sons. So we need to help A. From A we get sum of father and three sons age is 68 years. Now we subtract father age is from sum of father and three sons. When we subtract sum of father and three sons ages, then we find out the sum of three sons. Okay, so at first we write number B. From A we get sum of father and three sons age is 68 years. Okay, sum of father and three sons age is 68 years. Now we find out, and given father age is 38 years. Father From the students we know father age is 38 years. So it is easy to find out sum of three sons age. So we can write sum of three sons age is sum of three sons age is 68 minus 38 years. So when we subtract, then we find out 30 years. This is the answer. Okay, we find out sum of three sons age is 30 years. Question number C. If the average age of mother and those three sons is 15 years, what is the age of mother? Okay, we find out sum of mother and three sons age. So from we need to help number B. So we find out. So we can write sum of three sons age is 30 years. From B we get from B we get sum of three sons age is 30 years. Okay, so you can write from my questions. Average age of mother and three sons is 15 years. Average the average age of mother and three sons is the average age of mother and three sons is 15 years. 15 years. So we find out the sum of mother and three sons is 15 into 4 years. So we can write it 60 years. Okay, and now we subtract. Now we find out what is the age of mother. Now we subtract sum of mother and three sons age is 60 years from now subtract with age of three sons age. So we find out age of mother. So we can write the age of mother. The age of mother is 60 minus 30 years. 30 years. So we find out the age of mother is 30 years. This is answer. I hope everybody understand this structural questions. If you have any problem, please inform me. I will try to solve your problems. Thank you.